the ear. I thought maybe he was sending a message to Donald Trump with that, but it might have been something else. But Joe, do you think...
His finger was not moving. In both cases, his finger didn't move a smidgen. It was pressing down because something was becoming loose in his ear. It was dislodging. It's a CIA microchip.
It could have been as small as a grain of sand. It could have been as small as a little piece of rice. It could have been small, but whatever it was, if that's the best you can do, would your handlers put Joe from New Hampshire out there if you went through hours and hours and hours of simulated debates, and that's the way you looked? The only reason they put him out there is to have the Obama plan take over the White House again with Michelle Obama. That's what they're doing.
Well, here's the thing about the Obamas. I recognized his dementia 4 years ago when he was running against Trump. I told people 4 years ago, he's in the first, second inning of dementia. I went through it with my mom for 16 years. She had 3 strokes, and it started very slowly. And then you get Parkinson's after about 8 or 9 years if you're still alive because your brain is weakened. But here's the thing about the Obamas coming in. I said this a year ago. Michelle Obama is going to be the person that does it reluctantly. But guess what? And people are laughing at me a year ago. Barack Obama can run as the vice president. There's nothing in the Constitution to prevent him, even though he's been president 2 terms, he can run as a vice president. He's allowed to do it in the Constitution. So the plan will be Michelle Obama, Barack Obama, and then Michelle will resign next year, and Barack will be our president again. Well, because they've been running the country already anyway.
And Joe, the other thing to consider is that they can't walk over the top of Kamala Harris with some white male. They have to get a black female to do that. And that, of course, would be Michelle Obama. It's planned out that way. I see it happening. And I pray to God that if it's Michelle Obama, that we remember the policies, and she's going to keep the same policies destroying this country. Stay tuned for more. Coming up next is Chris Cuomo answering the question about his brother, saying the prosecutions of Donald Trump is political. Let's continue with more. Bill Cunningham with you every Sunday night.
What if you could build a 6-figure retirement income with almost half the money saved? You heard that right. Get a discount on your retirement creating a 6-figure income with 40% less than traditional 401ks and mutual funds. Hi, I'm Brett Kitchen, best-selling author, executive producer, and star in a brand new Hollywood documentary called The Retirement Deception. In this film, we traveled over 20,000 miles interviewing real Americans who've retired successfully with a great lifestyle and peace of mind. They share their stories on how they get more retirement income with the same dollar saved, and the money's never at risk if the market crashes. That's right, if the market crashes 30%, you lose nothing. Even the super wealthy are shifting money to this new strategy because it increases their retirement income or can allow them to stop working years sooner. So if you're over 50 and want a bigger, better retirement with less money saved, call to talk to a specialist and get a free copy of this brand new movie at 1-800-506-2020. This is a $30 value, but when you call today, you can get it completely free. I'll even cover shipping and handling, no credit card required. Call right now, 1-800-506-2020. That's 1-800-506-2020. Again, that's 1-800-506.
Hi there, it's Pat Walsh, and this month American River Flooring is featuring their incredible painting services. How do I know they're incredible? Because they painted the inside of my home, the outside of my home, and it looks fantastic. Get compliments from my neighbors all the time, really change the look of the place. You know, you may not realize that American River Flooring is your one-stop shop for flooring, cabinets, painting. You can trust them to do a fabulous job in your home like they have in mine. Plus, if you schedule your interior paint job with American River Flooring and Painting before March 21st, you're going to receive $100 off every common area and $50 off every bedroom. Hey, give them a call, schedule your no-pressure, free in-home consultation. They can help you with any design and color tips for your paint job, and they're going to give you an honest and fair quote, I promise you. American River Flooring, 916-961-6100, 916-961-6100. Go to AmericanRiverFlooring.com or visit them, 8510 Madison Avenue in Fair Oaks. And if you do, would you please tell them Patrick sent you?
Our Talk 1460 and FM 101.1 KION AM Salinas, Monterey, Santa Cruz, K266PD Carmel Valley.
Heavy winds and stormy weather for the Caribbean islands. I'm Ann Carrick, Fox Fox News. Hurricane Beryl, now a Category 4 storm impacting several islands. Fox weather meteorologist Adam Klotz.
This is a major storm we're watching work its way towards the Caribbean as we speak. A Category 4 hurricane, winds at 130 miles an hour, really getting close at this point to the Lesser Antilles. As far as sizes go, when you talk about hurricanes, not a particularly large storm, but if this runs where folks are, it's going to be very dangerous. We're beginning to see those outer edge winds beginning to creep that direction at about 25 miles an hour. These will obviously go way up, so we're really expecting things to deteriorate overnight tonight. And then through the day tomorrow is what we're looking at. This is a very unusual storm. Since 1851, only 2 major hurricanes have passed south of Martinique, and we're setting up for this one to do so.
Hurricane warnings are in effect for Barbados, St. Vincent, and St. Lucia, among other areas in the region. One person is dead in upstate New York's Delaware Valley. The cause, a likely tornado at a campsite west of Albany. Some former presidents coming to the defense of President Biden following his recent performance in CNN's presidential debate against former President Trump. Fox's Lucas Tomlinson reports from the White House.
Here's Barack Obama posting, "Bad debate nights happen, trust me, I know, but this election is still a choice between someone who has fought for ordinary folks his entire life and someone who only cares about himself." And here's former President Bill Clinton, who's younger than Joe Biden. "I'll leave the debate rating to the pundits, but here's what I know. Facts and history matter. Joe Biden has given us 3 years of solid leadership." And it is notable that the Biden campaign said that they have raised over $33 million since the debate on Thursday night.
The president's recent performance causing some Democrats to call for him not to run for re-election. Some even suggesting he step down. America's listening to Fox News.
From the Fox News Podcast Network.
I'm Emily Campagno, and this is the Fox True Crime Podcast.
I had nothing to do with her disappearance, but people still accuse me of it.
I sit down with the people who lived the nightmares.
I was in shock. I was just devastated.
The investigators who tirelessly worked on the case.
I feel for their families, and I really hope that they catch this guy.
Bringing you closer to the story than you ever thought possible.
Listen and follow now at foxnewspodcasts.com or wherever you get your podcasts. From the Fox News Podcasts Network, listen to the all-new Brett Baier podcast featuring Common Ground, talking to lawmakers weekly from opposite sides of the political spectrum about the issues of the day and how Americans can find common ground in a politicized world.
That's just not happening on Capitol Hill. It takes leadership, right?
Yeah, it absolutely does.
Along with all your Brett Baier favorites like the campaign, the candidates, the all-star panel, and much more. Available now at foxnewspodcasts.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
Music Festival presented by
Coming back to Las Vegas, September 20th and 21st, streaming live only on Hulu. Big Sean, Camila Cabello, Doja Cat, Gwen Stefani, Hozier, Keith Urban, New Kids on the Block, Paramore, Shabuzi, The Black Crowes, Thomas Rhett, Victoria Monet,
and more.
Get tickets to our 2024 iHeartRadio Music Festival, presented by Capital One, right now, before they sell out.
At AXS.com.
Hi there, it's Pat Walsh, and this month American River Flooring is featuring their incredible painting services. How do I know they're incredible? Because they painted the inside of my home, the outside of my home, and it looks fantastic. Get compliments from my neighbors all the time. Really change the look of the place. You know, you may not realize that American River Flooring is your one-stop shop for flooring, cabinets, painting. You can trust them to do a fabulous job of your home like they have in mind. Plus, if you schedule your interior paint job with American River Flooring and Painting before March 31st, you're going to receive $100 off every common area and $50 off every bedroom. You get a total schedule and free in-home consultation. We can help you with any design and color tips for your paint job, and we're going to give you an honest and fair quote, I promise you. American River Flooring, 916-961-6100, 916-961-6100, AmericanRiverFlooring.com, or visit 8510 Madison Avenue in Fair Oaks. And if you do, would you please tell them Patrick sent you?
Hi there, John McGinnis here. If you're thinking it's time to turn your retirement dream into your retirement living, you may be looking for a financial advisor to help put it all together. But what should you expect from a financial advisor? Well, Mike Lester believes one of the most important things is communication. Mike is the founder of Talent Wealth, and he believes that too many advisors are collecting fees and commissions, but doing very little to work for their clients. Mike doesn't believe that's fair. In fact, believes that you need to get your money's worth as well to make sure that you have that experience. Talent Wealth communication starts with a conversation to get to know each other. So if you're retired or close to it, don't just take my word for it. Reach out to Mike Lester
results. California license 0N00828. John McGinnis was compensated for this message.
Everyone loves to be outside, and so do mosquitoes. Protect yourself against mosquitoes and West Nile virus by following these simple tips. At least once a week, look around your yard and drain stagnant water from any containers where mosquitoes can breed. Remember to use an effective mosquito repellent, especially at dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are most active. Close all doors and be sure screens are in good working condition. At the Mosquito and Vector Control District, we're here to help. Visit us at fightthebite.net.
Brought to you by Choice Hotels. Econo-Lodge and Roadway Inn hotels are serving up double points for every qualifying stay. Book at choicehotels.com. Now, here's the man who's been recognized as radio's best. The recipient of not one, but 2 prestigious Marconi Awards for his broadcast excellence. The one and only Bill Cunningham.
And joining you and I now is the main personality at News Nation. That's Chris Cuomo, heard every night. And Chris, I was with you early morning hours watching. I had 3 sets up. I had Fox, I had CNN, I had News Nation. I'm like overdosing on this, those of us who care about such things. May I make an opening comment to get your reaction, if any?
Of course.
When I'm watching this and I got done, I thought, okay, the politics, the analyst, who won, who lost, who told so many lies. Was it 30 lies for Trump, or was it 9 lies for Biden, and all that stuff? And I'm sitting back.
Damn, do you have to fucking call me? Damn. I'm just getting home. Damn, you need to fucking call me to check up on me. Damn. Fucking checks up on me for no fucking reason. Damn. What the fuck, dude? Damn, stop fucking checking up on me. Damn, we're not even fucking together, but for some weird reason, he won't fucking let me be by myself, no relationship. Damn, this fucking asshole. Can he do anything but bother me every 5 minutes? I mean, come on. Damn.